Rules are meant to be broken, but not the spirit of enthusiasts. The IONIQ 5N signaled our commitment to bring driving fun through innovative technologies. Inspired by N's motorsport's winning DNA, we engineered tune-lap endurance in green hell and satisfied our addiction for emotional feel and response. The result is the most awarded N of all time. The IONIQ 5N disrupts convention to prioritize driving enthusiasts ahead of advanced technology. But if we stopped here, we are not N. It's in our DNA to compete in motorsports. So, we went racing with the same powertrain as our roadworthy cars. We set 2 electric SUV records and a class win at the treacherous Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. And we created our own all-electric one-make series, where IONIQ 5Ns can compete and grow stronger. And what else do we all love about driving? Drifting. When launching the IONIQ 5N, we wanted imaginations to run wild. So, what if we attached hydraulic side brakes using the N Drift Optimizer? To play out that idea with our enthusiasts, we brought it to life. Learning from that car, the new N Drift Optimizer makes drifting easier, more accurate, more fun. At N, we dare to push the envelope through competing, learning, and listening. As always, we continue to reinvent ourselves and reinvent the future of driving fun. What drives us forward will always be your voice. What is the secret behind driving fun? Compact size, powerful output, optimal power-to-weight ratio. Easier said than done. But who are we? We have 10 years of WRC experience and the widely acclaimed IONIQ 5N. What if we can mix things up and crank it up to 11? Introducing the RN24. Our fearless commitment to break the mold. The IONIQ 5N's motorsport's proven powertrain is squeezed into the smallest EV in our lineup. The exoskeleton reduces size, weight, and wheelbase for precise handling response. Why not mimic a rally car's movement with WRC technology? Next, install the same steering ratio as the i20 N Rally 1 Hybrid. To top it off, turn the volume all the way up. Combining the agility of a rally car and the power of IONIQ 5N. With new software development, we unlock new ways of driving fun. What the RN24 aims to represent is not just the future, but the voice of all car enthusiasts who love driving. We dream about fun cars day and night, but we don't just imagine. We make them into reality. There's just one thing to remember. Never just drive.